Hi, this is Sue Shields with My Florida Dreams. We're here in Colony Cove in the beautiful Sun Coast of Florida. We're at 7716 Laurel in Colony Cove. This house is immaculate. You can move in here and not have to clean. You do have a front porch and a front entrance here into this Lanai. This is a large front porch. And then as we enter, you've got this extra little lanai. You'll have sliders where you can close it off, or you can remove these sliders and open this all the way out here. Just want to make sure your air conditioning can handle that. I believe there are vents out here. Yes, there are. As you step into the living area, you'll see how huge this space is. This is a great home for entertaining. This house is being offered turnkey, which means everything will stay except for a few personal items, and this big screen TV will not be staying, but there is another one that will be here, and it is operational. The living area is open to the dining. As we head down the hall, we have our master bedroom to the right. Very large. He has a queen bed in here, but you could fit a king easily. You have a large walk-in closet, and of course your ensuite, which features a walk-in shower. And for you tall guys, it's been made very, very high, so when you step in, you don't bump your head. As you go back out into the hallway, your guest bedroom, you've got your guest bathroom, does feature a tub and shower, and the nice thing is, this actually opens up so that your guests will have their own ensuite when they're here. This is one of the largest guest bedrooms of all the models that we have. The closets go wall to wall, so they are huge and can accommodate a lot of storage. Let's head down to the kitchen. Oh, your air handler is in here, but also extra storage. One thing about mobile homes is they use every square inch for storage. Dining area with extra built-ins for more storage. And I love this kitchen design. It's round, so when you're in here and you're cooking, everything is within a couple of steps. So that is a great feature. Also, the walls in these mobile homes are not bearing, so if you wanted to take this down right here and change the configuration, it's very easy to do. As we step out here, you've got a really nice closed lanai. It features double doors, so that if you are a person who's going to be gone part of the year, it's really easy to bring your golf cart in. It has acrylic windows, so that on those cool days or really rainy days, you can just simply close it up. This is removable, but they have turned that so that this becomes more like a room. Back to the back is the storage shed, where you also have a brand new washer and dryer. And I'd like to introduce you to our newest agent, Jose. And Jose is doing the listing on this house. Want to give them your phone number so they can call you?
Sure. My name is Jose, and it's 773-726-7553. Give me a call at any time. I will answer. Thank you.
Thanks for joining us today.